This is Chatuchak Park. There's Chatuchak Park Station, just a short walk through Chatuchak Park to Railway Park. So we're now in Thailand. This is Chatuchak Park subway station, and you can see the Skytrain just above it.
เพิ่งเจอกับตาว่าเธอแอบอิงชิดเขายิ่งมองก็ยิ่งปวดร้าวเจ็บทรมาน
After walking about a kilometre through Chatuchak Park, we are now at Railway Park, Bangkok Sports Centre, the home of exercise and recreation.
ไม่ร้ายขนาดนี้ฉันโง่เกินไปหัวใจจึงแหลกไม่มีชิ้นดีครั้งนี้คงจำฝังใจอีกนาน
Hiring a bike at Railway Park. There are literally thousands of bikes to hire, costs about 20-30 baht for a couple of hours. All sorts of bikes, children's bikes. There's the market, car park. And from here just walk across to the trees and the start of the park, and we then start riding.
Traveling in a fried out combi on a hippie trailhead full of zombies. I met a strange lady, she made me nervous. She took me in and gave me breakfast. She said, do you come from the land down under, where the women glow and men plunder? Can you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover. A man in Brussels, he was 6'4" and full of muscle. I said, do you speak my language? He just smiled and gave me a Vegemite sandwich. He said, I come from the land down under, where the beaters flow and men chunder. Can you hear the thunder? Take cover, yeah. Lying in the den in Bombay, with a slack jaw and not much to say, I said to the man, are you trying to tempt me? Because I come from the land of plenty. And he said, do you come from the land down under, where the women glow and men plunder? Can you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover, yeah. Living in the land down under, where the women glow and men plunder. Can you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover.
Yes, we're in the beautiful Railway Park, as you can see. Here is my bike. No, not that one. This one. And let's go bike riding.
Stop running.
lazy Sunday in beautiful Bangkok in October, I should say. Thailand, the land of smile, the land of beautiful, smiling, friendly people. And here we are, right in the centre of Bangkok City, Railway Park.
I will come for you at night time. I will raise you from your sleep. I will kiss you in 4 places as I go running along your street. I will squeeze the life out of you. You will make me laugh and make me cry, and we will never forget it. You will make me call your name, and I'll shout it to the blue summer sky. We may never meet again, so shed your skin and let's get started. You will throw your arms around me. You will throw your arms around me. I dreamed of you at night time, and I watched you in your sleep. I met you in high places. I touched your head and touched your feet. So if you disappear out of view, know that I will never say goodbye. And though I try to forget it, you will make me call your name, and I'll shout it to the blue summer sky.